Ladies and gentlemen, Greg McCloskey from Forex Live with a technical look at the dollar versus yen as we end our trading week and look forward to the week starting March 21st, 2016. What do we see here in the dollar versus yen? Well, in this week's trading, we went down and we took out our lows for the year and went to the lowest price in I think about 17 months, going back to October of 2014 to be exact. We also tested the 61.8% retracement of the move up from this low in July of 2014 to this high that we saw in June of 2015. And that 61.8 came in at 110.53. Our low for the week came in at 110.65. We took out our low prices here from the month of February at 110.96. So went about 30 pips below our lowest level for the year and bounced back off of or near the 61.8. Is that enough? Is that indicative of perhaps that the bottom is in place and we have the potential to move further to the upside? Fundamentally, we know the Bank of Japan is a little perplexed, not understanding why the yen is so strong. Of course, the dollar has a piece of that, with the FOMC being more dovish in trading this or in their announcement this week. Nevertheless, I don't think that the Bank of Japan wants to see the currency get too strong, and so these levels right here are going to be important in next week's trading. If we stay above the 111 area and above the 110.53, things are going to be looking a little bit more bullish here for the pair from a daily perspective. Are there any clues off of charts like the 4 hour chart? Well, let's take a look at that 4 hour chart. And I put it on the 4 hour chart because this consolidation here makes it easier to see. And what do we have here? We have our low price that came in February 11th. We had a low price that came in February 24th. And then we went below those levels. And off the 4 hour chart, you can see we didn't spend time or that a lot of time below those low levels. In fact, we went below it and closed above it way up here. And then this bar right here, we went below it again and closed above those areas as well. So there's kind of a rejection of these low levels. So it gives me a little bit more positive feeling for this currency pair going into next week's trading, as long as we can stay above these levels right here. Now, where can we go? Where is resistance? Off the 4 hour chart, you can see we had a swing low here and a swing low right here. This low came in at the 112.15 level, and this low came in at the 112.21. So 15 to 21, about 6 pips apart, and that also corresponds for more or less with the 50% retracement of this move to the downside from, I think this is Wednesday's high down to the low. So that's going to be a key test on the top side to get through 112 15 to 23. If we're able to get above that level, then perhaps we go up and test the underside of this trend line and also the 100 bar moving average on the 4 minute chart, both coming in around the 113.13 level. Lots of 13s in that number. So that would be a level that we should go up and test on the upside for the dollar versus yen. Any clues off the 5 minute chart? Well, we are here off of our lows here that we saw on trading here today and also through yesterday's trade. Big quick move to the upside here after we broke below that 97 level, and then we came down, tested that 97 level here and bounced off of that level. In trading here today in the Asian Pacific session, went below it, tried to stay below it again, moved above it. Next time we came down close to it, the market found support and we've been up since, and it's staying above the 100 and 200 bar moving average on the 5 minute chart here, giving a little bit more bullish bias here for the dollar versus yen. So I kind of have this feeling that we might see more corrective move to the upside in this currency pair as we head into next week, that we may have seen a bottom for now. We will see. All depends upon the technicals, of course. If we start to move below these lines or below this 97 level, we could see some further downside. But until then, things are looking a little bit better for this currency pair, or let me just say that I have a little bit more of a bullish hunch. My name is Greg Michaelowski. Good fortune with your trading. Bye bye now.